Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting to the dealership a new arrival. It's a 2022 Chrysler Voyager VMI rear manual ramp mobility van. It is bright white in color. It has nice black contrast in the grille and bumper. 17-inch alloy wheels, built-in ground effects with built-in step, power seats inside, power mirror windows and locks. You do have the power sliding door on the driver's side as well, privacy glass, power lift gate, and let's take a look here at the conversion on it. So this is a manual slide out ramp. There's not much to fail on it. It's just a simple handle right here, swivel it around and you pull it right out. It's light, it's easy. Wheel in there and slide it right back in. And there you go, the ramp's done. You ain't got to wait for the ramp to come out while it's raining, while it's snow, cold, anything like that. Just quick and to the point. Very durable, reliable, not much that can go wrong on it. Inside you got plenty of space here. You also have your smart floor for your Q-strength tie downs, rear bench for 3, which is cool. Right here you have a little footrest, cup holders and phone holders built in. Your front driver and passenger seat, they actually slide out, so the wheelchair can slide up to one of them and lock in from them positions. Rear HVAC controls up front. We have USBs down low, storage area, slide out cup holder. Your HVAC controls, touchscreen Uconnect radio, has XM satellite, CarPlay. Your steering wheel has all your built-in controls for your hands-free phone calls, your radio operation, cruise control. Again, we're looking at stock number CP16903T. It's a 2022 Chrysler Voyager VMI mobility with a manual slide out ramp. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thank you.